Mhm. What's the importance of Elite to help to support the small and medium enterprises?
We at Fidelity, we manage people's savings and we invest the savings we collect worldwide into companies that are listed in equity market or their bonds listed in bond market. In the past 10 years, especially after the great financial crisis, companies have experienced how just bank financing is not enough to fund long-term growth prospects. And so more and more small and mid-cap companies need to open up their shareholding or their debt structure to markets. Companies like ours, we manage more than 410 billion worldwide, are here to actually invest in potential capital or potential debt of companies that present us interesting growth prospects. Our work is to pick among the projects we deem the best, and in exchange for this, we can always help companies understand the market we live in. We meet every day tens of companies worldwide. We might have a view on the sector in which this company operates that we can share with the entrepreneurial investors that open up their capital. We are investors that tend to invest for the mid to long term, and we accompany the growth projects of the company that come to the IPO. I think that the project that London Stock Exchange and Italian Stock Exchange started with Elite is an important step toward helping many of these small mid-cap companies to understand the need, to understand the help that they can get from the market, and to actually come together the funds, the savings that we manage with the opportunity set that such companies actually have in their hands to invest. My personal job is actually to manage different funds. One of those is the Fidelity Italy Fund, and then I manage other two mandates. One is focused on Switzerland and one is European-wide. So my experience is actually with companies that are on a European level. And there have been many differences between Italy or other countries, especially when we talk about small and mid caps. When we talk about bancarization of financing of companies, this has been in the past especially true for Italian companies. This is not the case today. The Italian small mid-cap companies have opened up. The market has opened up also to the placement of bonds. We know about the mini bonds. So the market is slowly but steadily growing also to find means of financing for the Italian companies that are not just directly coming from the banks.